Hey guys, so I realized that I don't ever say hi or greet you guys, and a lot of it is because every time I go to say hey guys, I feel like I sound so stupid. Like just me alone, I play it back and I sound weird. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to be doing a butterfly French tip set using the lazy girl method, and I'm also going to be testing out some TikTok hack that I seen on how to do French tips easier. So I'm going to let you guys know if it works or if it doesn't work, and just my thoughts on it. I'm going to be using the polygel ACester that I got from my Macar Your Nail Lab box, and then I'll be using 91% alcohol as slip solution. The tips I'm using are from AliExpress. Really, AliExpress? I'm not even cutting this out, I'm keeping it in here. But anyways, I got them from AliExpress and I've used them the last couple videos, and I haven't said anything because I want to do the haul and show you, but I'm waiting for a whole bunch of stuff and I don't know where the hell they are. They're like stuck somewhere. So I'm going to link them down below, but they are the 5XL full coverage nail tips. Also, FYI, if you're thinking these do not look like 5XL, it's because I cut them down off camera, but they are way longer than this. So as some of you know, when I'm doing the lazy girl method, I don't describe what I'm doing. Well, as of recently anyway, because I used to do this all the time and I would explain it, and I felt like it was just getting repetitive. And those of you that have been there from the beginning, I'm sure you're sick of it by now. So now when I'm doing it, I just like to chat about anything that's random. If you don't care to hear the random rambling, I'll tell you where to skip to. But if you don't care, just keep on listening. So I just want to say thanks to everyone that entered the giveaway. By the time you're watching this, it will be closed and I probably would have a winner. But I really enjoyed responding to all of you guys, and I was really happy because I saw a whole bunch of fresh new faces, which was really cool. A lot of you said I should do the random spinner, and I'm gonna go with that because it's only fair, and a lot of you said it would be fun, and I agree with that. So back into the nails, I go in with my e-file just to clean around the cuticle area. So I have a quick question. In the comments for the giveaway video, I seen that a lot of you said you're starting your nail journey, you're in beauty school, etc. So I'm gonna assume some of you might watch my videos to learn, and I just wanted to know if you'd rather me do more explaining and less rambling, or if I should just keep it the same. So this is it after filing. I also buffed the tips off camera because I'm going to be painting over them and I wanted the gel polish to have something to hold on to. For the French tips, I'm going to be using blueberry cream from Madame Glam. Now for the TikTok hack. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this, but the whole idea is to draw an A shape and then kind of curve the lines by where the middle line is. I'm going to play it again so you can watch it without me talking. So I tried it off camera just to see if it works, because you know, with some TikTok hacks, they don't work. Or they just, I guess, don't work for me. But this one turned out pretty well. I thought it was going to be hard to do. I had my acetone at the ready just to be able to clear up my mistakes, and I didn't make any mistakes. One thing I will say went wrong-ish is that sometimes I would draw the curve a little bit crooked and it would mess up the smile line, but I just kept drawing the lines and it would eventually fix itself. I hope that makes sense. If not, this finger is a little bit out of frame, but the next one you'll be able to see it a lot more clearer. Once you have your lines where you want them, then you fill it in. This part is such a problem though, because you want to try and get as close to the line without going over the line, and I really had to concentrate to do this part. So I'm going to let you guys focus on this part without me talking, and then I'll be back to explain the next part. So this is what it looks like. I did the rest of it off camera. I will say that this technique is pretty good because it kind of gives you the outline to form a smile line. And if you do ultimately mess it up, you can go in with acetone and clean it up. But I definitely will be doing this the next time I do French. It is nice and simple and I didn't mess up. If you are someone that struggles with French tips, I would definitely recommend this hack. The butterflies I'm going to be using are from AliExpress. Every time I go to do my voiceover, I'm like, I'm gonna move that thing, and I never do. That and muting my work computer, because I do my voiceovers in my lunch break, and I'll literally be on take 5 of a sentence that I couldn't get out, and I'll be getting it perfectly, and I kid you not, that's when someone speaks, and I'm like, of course it would be right there and then. I do this to myself every time. I always forget, but today I didn't forget. So I should have a smooth voiceover, I hope. But for the stickers, I was kind of just sticking them anywhere. On my thumb, I accidentally stuck it the wrong way and I tried to take it off and it wouldn't come off. So the thumb is looking a mess, but we don't talk about that one. So I just kind of randomly picked where I wanted them and placed 2 on each fingernail. So I wanted to replace one on my middle finger and it was damn near impossible to take off. I wanted to use a file to file it off, but I didn't want to scratch off the gel polish, so I ended up using my teeth to scrape it off.
What?
Yeah, so don't do that. If you need to take it off, I would just recommend a file and then you just deal with the scratchiness. Or I guess if you was to put top coat on it, it would probably even out and you wouldn't be able to tell, but don't use your teeth. Here I'm just putting on top coat. And that is pretty much it for this design. I wanted to do this design like this time last year because I've had these stickers for a while, but I didn't think I was going to pull it off. I should have tried and then compared then from now. I know I'm late. I know this design has been here since forever, but better late than never. Lastly, I'm applying my cuticle oil, and good news, I have a new cuticle oil that doesn't have bite marks on it. But this is the design. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, the thumb is a hot mess. I tried to take those stickers off and they wouldn't come off, so I just added one in the middle hoping it would fix it, but no. But let me know what you guys thought of this design. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.